Okay, I'm going to show you how to make a cheap airsoft grenade. The first thing you need is a little plastic thing from a 50-cent machine. You can get them any store pretty much. A firecracker, a lighter, and some cheap airsoft BBs. The first thing you do is you take the cap of the 50-cent machine thing and you want to heat it up and put a hole in it. So I heat it up, and then I'm just using a pin. Let me get it a little bit more. And then stick the pin right in it, and it should go through right there. It doesn't matter what size the hole is, just make a hole. And I forgot something else you'll need is tape, just any old tape. And then once you've got your hole, you take the bottom part and fill it up with airsoft BBs. The more you fill it up with, the better you'll get, the better range you'll get. Just not so much that it's overflowing, but fill it up. Then you take your firecracker and you just stick it right down the middle and try to keep BBs in. And then you just want to fill them up around the firecracker. Keep filling it up until it almost overflows. So it should look something like this. And then you would take your top and stick the fuse through the hole, and you don't push the thing down so it pops. You just set it on top, and it could fall off. But now you have to keep that straight up, pull some tape off, and then you want to tape the top to the plastic thing where the BBs are, and then you just want to tape it all the way around like this, and just doesn't matter how you do it, just get the tape on it all the way around it like so. And once you've got it taped all the way around like that, you can see right there, you'll have a lot of room left over. So you take the BBs and then you just fill it up with BBs. I'm gonna use this to fill it up. You just take the top, and keep filling it up. This will probably take the longest. Until you can't put any more in there. And the more BBs you add, the more effective it's going to be in hitting people. But then, see, I've got it like that to where no more BBs can fit in there. And then I just want to take one piece of tape, just a small one, and pull the fuse off to the side and just put tape over the hole so the BBs won't fall out. Like this. And then there's your airsoft grenade. I will probably do a video of me setting off the grenade sometime this week, but I'll post this up later. Alright, bye.